Son.
I did.
My graduates are on Mama Games.
Yep.
Student life.
What do you mean student life? You know, I do IT.
Like, look at your age. You're supposed to be doing something and providing food on the table.
And you know, I'm actually waiting on something. I'm gonna have a job soon, and I'll put something on the table.
Talking about the job, until you need the job, right? I saw this ad. This is perfect match for you, my son.
Farming.
Exactly, farming.
I cannot do farming.
Huh?
I cannot do farming.
Security. You know, this is indigenization, my son.
Really?
Of course.
I did 4 years. 4 years of IT. And you know when you think someone do massive. I cannot do farming, I'm sorry.
Nzwazi notaura mwana wako. Ndatoshura lake ndakutomisa mashura ini. Kuti iye nomunzo kuti oite zvefarming for the winter. Iye oramba akanzoni long process.
Naidio mwanangu. Kochi. Baboko havasi kuti iwe wamurimi. Zveupenyu hwese kuti uone pekufama.
Exactly. But still, I cannot do farming. I get IT. Farming.
We just need something on the table.
Exactly. What do you mean something on the table? And what guarantees you to get a marriage and for teach something on the table?
Because once we eat the produce, there is a market. Today, so I think it's a thing to provide something on the table.
This is the boy.
Need to remember. Chingofano kuita izine zvakagara zvemagame zviri kuti pei zvaunoita izvo.
Imagine. It's better we call the guy. It's better we call the guy.
Okay.
See, you don't even have the airtime of which you want me to go with the farming. You may name the farming one in my airtime.
Delroy.
Even though,
See for yourself.
Oh, you are flying.
She doesn't really my foot. She doesn't dig.
no, like in my